Welcome to the channel. Want to know how over 350,000 traders are making consistent profits worldwide with over 80% accuracy on gold trading signals? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's jump in and find out. All right, guys. So I know a lot of you are looking for the perfect signals, and how do you find them? How do you stay above everyone else and get the best trades? And what if you could get them for free? Well, that's where your financial freedom comes in. Now, if you're wondering, how can I get the most accurate signals? Where do I have to go? Do I watch YouTube videos? Do I look at news articles? Do I do all that? Actually, you can just go to one place, and that is United Kings. So what is that? They focus on gold trading specifically. So there's a lot of people who are looking at different types of signals. This is primarily a focus on USD gold, and this has over 80% accuracy. Now, you might be saying, that seems really, really high, 80% accuracy. How the heck are they able to do that? Well, they have the largest community, as you can see right here. And they have over 300,000 members, as I talked about, 15 years plus of experience. And as we can see, they're doing trades every single day. So they're in the game. Now, why would you jump with Kings? Because they're a team of experienced trading professionals. They have accurate insights and they deliver on their signal quality. You get precise gold trading signals via Telegram. So you can see this right here. You can join and get free signals. And you can take profit targets, you can do stop loss, and free members get 1 to 2 signals a day. VIP get 10 high probability gold trading opportunities. Now you might be saying, well, why don't I do gold trading? Why not just do cryptocurrency or something else like that? Well, gold volatility is good because it creates massive profit opportunities. Plus gold seems to be pretty constant, or fiat generally goes down and crypto can go up and down. Gold's pretty constant. Plus you get the private Telegram groups with priority signals and you get risk management. Every gold signal has a calculated stop loss to protect capital. So you're not just guessing. You're actually part of the whole community. And members are turning $500 into 5,000 using the signals. And there's limited time VIP memberships right here. So how it works is you would join the community. You choose a plan. You want free or VIP. You get your signals and you start trading. And you can see here, it is just a one-time payment and you get lifetime access. So you do not have to pay monthly. Plus, they also have the exclusive Vantage partnerships for 50% deposit bonus. That's for traders who join Vantage through the United Kings. The minimum is $500. Now, if you do want a monthly option, they do have that as well. But you can do the lifetime for just one payment, get that done. And also check out their Vantage because the partnership as well gives you membership extra trading capital to maximize your gold trading profits. As we can see, or a proven track record right here. 300,000 active traders cannot be wrong, and they are experts in this. So guys, if you have more questions, definitely you can take a look at the FAQs right here. And you have full control. You can cancel at any time. The VIP gets premium signals, and you can see they are trusted right here. They're also registered. So if you're ready, you can just go ahead, pay one of these, and pop into the Telegram. Start getting accurate pricing signals. Start getting accurate information. Don't just guess. I don't ever say it's a good idea in trading to guess. And you can see about them right here, over 15 years of experience, millions of dollars, reliable trading signals, and a trusted community with big partners like eToro, Robinhood, and IG Group, to name a few. So that is the power of United Kings. You also can contact them here or join now. So if you're looking to upgrade your signal game, especially in the gold era, this is a golden opportunity, no pun intended. Check them out. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.